Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we seen in Python interactive mode. Okay. Today we are going to see a Python in script mode. Okay. Next online class, I will teach you what is a variable. Actually, variable is a little bit big means it needs some more example, more explanation in a board. Okay, so I will explain variable next class. This class we will see the interactive and script mode once again. Okay, so I opened Python. Okay, Python I opened. uh, how we will do calculation directly? This is a interactive mode. Okay, 3 plus 5, it will directly give the answer. Okay, 98 into 5, direct answer. Okay, 10 greater than 11, false. 10 is greater than 11. I will open magnifier. I think now you can able to see whether 10 is greater than 11. No, 10 is smaller than 11. Okay, so we given, so it is, so whatever value we are giving. Okay, uh, into 89 minus 7, as much you need. Okay, so just one enter, this is the answer. Okay, this is a interactive mode. Okay, when we are giving the program. Okay, print. Okay, welcome, welcome will be there. My dear students, here if you are using double quotes, you should end with the double quotes. Okay, it is not compulsory you should use only double quote. You can use a single quotes also. Example, print. Okay, single quote, welcome, single quote closed, enter. Now see, I started with a single quote and I end with a single quote. Okay, I completed with a single quote. In case if I do like this, print, welcome, single quote close. Now this is an error. If I press enter, computer will show as a error. See why? Because the which code we used, we should use same code only. Okay, so in this print statement we can, in between this double quote, okay, whatever text we are writing, computer will never read. See here, print. Okay, I just typed something, close. Now my dear students, in between this, it is a double quote or single quote, it is not a matter. Okay, in between double quote, whatever things we are writing, computer typing, computer will not read anything. Computer will show in a output. Okay, computer display it in a output. Okay, computer will never read whatever you are writing in between this double quote or single quote. Okay, so this is the thing you should remember. If, see, whatever, if you didn't mention the double quote, okay, just I'm writing enter, error, because computer cannot able to identify what is that. Okay, but my dear students, when you are writing, this is for only the text, only the text you should mention inside of the double quote or single quote. If you are mentioning a number, you should not use any quote. Example, print. Okay, 1 plus 8. So this is a number. If we are mentioning number without quote, computer will read. Enter, 9. Okay, now print. Okay, 1 plus 8. Enter. Now see, already I told you, instead of the double quote or single quote, whatever things we are writing, computer will never read. It will directly, it will display in output. Here there is no double quote, so computer read 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So computer given 9. Okay, so in here, instead of double quote, whatever things we written, it will display directly in output. Okay, so print whatever we are going to write, it is not a matter. Okay, computer will display it in output. In case here comma 2 into 8. See, instead of double quote, what things we return came in output, but 2 into 8, 16 came in the output. Okay, because why it came? Because there is no double quote. This comma is used to separate. This print is a common, and this is a separate statement, and this is a separate statement. Okay, comma is used to separate the statements. Okay, so this is a uh, interactive mode. Now we are going to the script mode. How we will run a script mode? In interactive mode, whenever we are writing next line only we are getting output. Okay, whatever input we given, next line only we are getting output. In script mode, okay, we will write a plenty of program. Okay, it can be 2 line, 3 line, or 10 line, 20 line, 70 line, how as much you need. Okay, at last all together we will get output. How we will do this script mode? First we have to go to the file menu. Okay, file, new file. Now this is a new file. Okay, this is a new file. Now see, 10 plus 5 to 23 into 9, nothing, no output, we are not getting. Now if you want output, we should run. Before running we should save the file. See, run. So what it is showing? Source must be saved. Save. So I am going to give the name 8th. Okay, and in a desktop. Save. Okay. Now see here, my dear, here print. Okay, first we will go from basic. Okay, print welcome. Okay, welcome is here. Now save file, save. Shortcut is Control plus S. Now run. Now see here, what is output? Welcome. You can able to see the output welcome here. Else print we are 8th standard. Okay, so save, Control S, I saved. Now run. So this is the output. Here you can able to see at the bottom we are 8th standard. Okay, print. Okay, 10 into 8, saved. Run, shortcut is F5. F5. Now see here, 18. 10 into 8, 18. Okay, this is a script mode. In script mode, what happened? We are writing multiple lines, and multiple lines will run all together. My dear students, I think today it is enough. Tomorrow in next online class, I will teach you the variable. Okay, what is a variable? What are the types of variable? The thing is what? If you get the time in a mobile, Google Play Store itself, to run a Python program. Okay, to run Python program, so much of applications are there. Okay, so many applications are there to do simple work, not to high level. What exercise they given in your book, that much you can able to do in that Python program. Mostly Python we are installing a computer, but in Android application also they developed some app where we can able to run a Python program. Okay, so kindly type this all. If you type this all things, what the output we are getting in a computer, same output you will get in that Android applications also. Okay, please kindly revise it when you are getting time. Okay, and thanks for watching, my dear students. Thank you.